Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to discuss the next answer copy of our AM for Agriculture series. So as you all know that we are having AM for Agriculture series in which we are having daily answer writing practice and weekly full tests. So today we are going to discuss the answer copy of day 39. We have already discussed the answer copies till the day 38, and today we will be discussing the answer copy of day 39. So let's see what were the questions asked and how the student has approached the answers. And by analyzing these types of answer copies, it can be helpful to you in your answer writing journey. You can learn how to write certain kind of points, how to add examples, how to write introduction, how to write conclusion, how to structure your answers overall. So all these things can be very helpful to you. So let's start. So the first question is, what are synthetic parathyroids and discuss its mode of action. So what synthetic parathyroids are? These are man-made chemicals, as the words here only suggest synthetic. Synthetic only means man-made, modeled after the natural parathyreins formed by chrysanthemum flower, although many of them are formed in other flowers also. But yes, they are man-made chemicals which are modeled after the parathyreins, natural parathyreins. That is why they are known as synthetic parathyreins or synthetic parathyroids, and examples have been mentioned. Now, what are the properties of these parathyroids? First of all, they give us high efficiency, relative safety for mammals, as compared to other chemicals. They are not that much harmful for the mammals. Stable in sunlight, more effective in agriculture and domestic use. So some of the properties of parathyroids. Now, what is its mode of action? So it affects the nervous system of the insects. Okay, so generally we all know there are various insects which do not which sometimes also develop resistance towards pesticides. So there also these parathyroids have been highly used. So first of all, it affects the nervous system. uh, they prolong the opening of sodium channels in nerve cells, leading to excessive nerve finding, paralysis, and eventual death of insect. They also lead to disruption of sodium channels. They lead to delayed repolarization, and eventually they lead to paralysis and death. And you can see examples have been also mentioned. And if you want to read the answers in detail, because I will be just discussing the important points, because it will be very lengthy if I go and read line by line and explain you. So please, if you want to read the answers in detail, you can simply pause the video and read it. I will be just discussing the important points and giving you an overview of the structure of the answer, and again appropriately concluded. Now let's move to the next question. So next question is, discuss the reasons for protein energy malnutrition. So we all know what protein energy malnutrition is. It is the form of malnutrition where there is inadequate intake of proteins and calories, leading to the growth retardation, stunted growth, wasting. Okay, so these are the some of the things which leads to the infections, which happens due to protein energy malnutrition. And as per UNICEF, around 45% of children under the age of 5 in low and middle income countries, especially African countries, in South Asian countries, you will see are suffering from protein energy malnutrition. What is, I must highlight you that here the data of 45% have been mentioned, and the source of data, that is UNICEF, have been also mentioned. So a very well written answer. And this protein energy malnutrition of generally two types, Kwashiorkor and marasmus. That is, we all know that. Now, what are the reasons for this protein energy malnutrition? First and foremost reason is the poverty. Then we have poor maternal nutrition, because many times the mother do not get enough amount of feed, and that is why it leads to underweight birth, underweight babies. There is inadequate infant and young child feeding practices. Okay, the child feeding practices in youngs, especially under 5, are not proper. Okay, this leads to delay in protein diets, delay in complementary foods, and hygienic foods are not able to feed the fresh foods. So these are all leads to problem. There is high disease burden, there is lack of education, there are various social and cultural factors. So all these things are the various causes of protein energy malnutrition. So very well written answer. If you want to read the answers in detail, you can simply pause the video and read it. Now let's move to the next question. The next question is, discuss the potential of organic farming in southern India. Okay. Also discuss major initiatives taken by government of India for promotion of organic farming. So we all know what organic farming is, and in India we have the highest number of organic farmers, and when it comes to in terms of area, it is ninth largest. Okay, we have ninth. We are doing organic farming in ninth largest area in the world, and when it comes to the number of farmers, we are first in the world. Now, what is the potential of organic farming in South India? Okay, first of all, in South India we will get different kinds of agroclimatic zones. Okay, there is rich biodiversity. Traditional farming is there, such as Kerala, which is aspiring to become a fully organic state. Tamil Nadu has been also rise in organic farming. Consumer demand in South India is also increasing. Okay, favorable climate is there. Okay, and traditional practices are also there. And for example, in states like Kerala, where the farmers are more educated as compared to the states of some backward regions in Bihar, Jharkhand or Chhattisgarh, as compared to them, the farmers of Kerala, Tamil Nadu are more educated, and they can understand organic farming more properly. So that could be another advantage when it comes to southern India. Market demand is there. Tourism, obviously, we all know that Kerala is the South India, in Kerala, Tamil Nadu regions are known as God's own country. So high amount of tourism is there, and integrating this tourism with farming, that is agriculture tourism, through homestays in the villages, seeing giving tourists an idea about organic farming. So all these things can be very helpful. Now, what are the major government initiatives towards organic farming? They are from Pragat Kisi Vikas Yojana. We have Mission Organic Value Chain Development for Northeastern region. We have National Program from Organic Production. If you want to read these things in detail, you can just simply pause the video and read it. We have Jaivik Krisi Portal or Jaivik Kheti Portal, sorry. So these are some of the various important schemes when it comes to organic farming. We have organic and natural farming under the National Mission of Sustainable Farming, and we all know that Sikkim is already world's first organic state. So very well written answer and appropriately concluded. You can see in the conclusion how the student has mentioned positively to maximize the potential by investment, market linkage, consumer awareness. So very well written answer, and I hope you are able to understand all the answers. You have paused the video at several intervals and read these answers. So that is all for today. If you like it, please press the like button. Please do share, and please do subscribe. It takes a lot of hard work to make such videos for you on regular basis. Regular basis पे ऐसे videos को बनाने के लिए काफी hard work लगता है. And if you like, if you share, if you subscribe, it motivates us to make more such videos for you on regular basis. So that is all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.